Hey guys, welcome to Manji's eating competition. So I'm here with Richeal and Lisaquama, and we are about to have an eating competition. So the first person that's able to finish eating the Manji's burger within 1 minute gets to be asked to do something. So if you want to do
Okay, so if I win, I'll dare you to delete your Instagram. I'll dare you to delete your Instagram. And then you, I'll let you sit on Zizi. Yes.
Okay, if I win, I would dare Richeal to touch the face of a horse. And Lisa, I'll dare you to buy the Porsche you took the video by home.
If I win, I'll dare Richeal to call Crash and out herself. If I win again, I'll dare Danita to do a cramp video.
A crown?
Charlie.
How do you sing it?
Okay, not cramp, salsa.
No problem. I just need a boy.
Cramp.
Okay. So, we will give each time.
1 minute.
I know 1 minute. Who finishes first?
Okay, who finishes first?
I think we should just remove the thing.
Charlie, who finishes? I don't know why my heart is beating, but it is beating.
They're in trouble tonight.
This beggar.
Hey, please, I would like to finish it.
Yeah?
Okay.
It's big.
Ready?
Ready?
Wait. Let's breathe.
Hey, who break?
Shall
Heavenly
we?
Father.
Thank you for this meal. Please bless and bless us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
You pray for the winner.
3, 2, 1, go!
Lisa. The meat.
It's very big. I didn't know it was going to be like I didn't know it was going to be.
It's going too fast.
That's now. That's it.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So it's this big. Or something.
Lisa. Hey. Fierce little girls. Neither.
Found the second.
So all they say is round.
Oh,
I'm not trying.
11.5.
Oh.
Rachel, you need the cooking. It will fill your stomach.
Yeah, Afronitaaa, left and right.
Slow but sure.
When you don't know a ritual means, it's like a
What my motivation? Rachel.
Let me have a visa.
Hey, you are close.
It's like my own house more. It's true, see.
Ah, no, it's good.
Who is going to win? Lisa or Rachel? They are very close.
Rachel, stop dialing the number. I'm having the leftover.
The person has to finish chewing first, means you all have the last one in your mouth.
I'll do close nicely.
Lisa, you finished? Lisa has finished. Go closer to him.
So, Anita is doing like two things. Dancing crump and deleting her Instagram.
Ah, no.
I know, just the winner. But just the winner is still because I was first in this weekend. That's what I thought.
Yeah, so just the winner is bearing.
Okay, so yeah. I really like him. Crump. Rachel is calling her boyfriend. It was an amazing game.
I have plenty boys.
Wait till I wait to boy to call.
I'm about to call. I have plenty boys, by the way. Oh, I need to shoot.
Okay, so end it.
Ah, I am not ended.
You want to end it? End it. End the video.
Guys, so at the end of everything, I won. And yeah, so I got to dare Lisa and Richeal.
Why are you lying?
Okay, the actual truth is that Lisa won. So she dared me to do a crown video, and Richeal's come to call her boy right now. So who are you calling?
Ah, I'm not plenty people.
No, I said your crush. Why are you crashing on?
Plenty people. Let me go to my contact.
Oh.
The one with the plenty emoji stuff is not receiving the call.
Let me do that.
Let me call it another. Let me see the mic.
What you call it? Bye. Amazing. Buy it and Rachel have a thing. I'll make sure you don't have a thing.
Hello, Dempsey. Video Kwabus in there. Where are you?
It's now the car left.
Ah, okay. I love you, baby.
I love you, baby.
No. Yeah, we do some content where Lisa them say make her for my crush.
Oh, it's true.
I mean,
It's true. Buy a shoe. Buy a shoe. So if I told you the same thing, what will you say?
Why are you asking me that question?
You don't want-
Why are you asking me that question right now?
I'm asking you, so if I told you what Rachel told you, what will you say?
I'll be like, wow.
Oh.
I'll be like, what the
Oh, dying.
Come on, bye-bye.
Okay, so now can you play the crump music?
I'm doing it right now.
Let me play the crump
Bye.
music. That was fun. So I'm playing crump music for Danny.
No one should laugh.
Zulu, you are my umbrella. Hello.